You have a Barbie with a broken neck, maybe with a loose joint. Here's my quick doll neck repair for you. Just simply get yourself Sugru and put it under the neck knob so that you have a little bit more stability and the head won't come only to the front again, but it will be in its normal position again. Sugru will need 24 hours to dry completely, and then you can put the head back again on the body. That's my quick fix for this problem.